You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. More confusing names pronunciations at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK. Trevor, okay, Trevor. The R is pretty much silent. Trevor. In American English, however, in the US, it is usually pronounced American pronunciation Trevor. Trevor. So stress is always on the first syllable. Trevor, American English, or Trevor, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.